Welcome back to another video. My name is Abby, and today we're talking about what Neville said about affirmations. Before I get into the video, I want to make a quick announcement. If you have been interested in working with me one-on-one, it's a great time to do it. I've recently shifted the way I take payment, and temporarily I will be doing one-on-one services and work together through a donation-based payment, meaning that there is a $30 minimum payment. And if that's what you have right now, great. If you feel led to donate more, you can do so in the tip option of the payment method. Now, if you're interested, there is a link below in the description. So check that out and see if it resonates with you. Let's get back to the video. So what did Neville Goddard say about affirmations? I was really inspired to create this video because I've seen a lot of misinformation going around on the interwebs about affirmations and about when to do them and about how to do them. And I think that there right now is being a disservice and some maybe misunderstanding about them. So I wanted to actually go to the source of Neville Goddard. But when I watch these videos and I hear other people talking about affirmations, the way that they are implying to use them would be the same as sitting in a burning house and sitting in the living room and saying, everything's fine, it's a beautiful day, cookies are baking, everything's great. Well, clearly in that situation, if you stay there, it's very dangerous. Or potentially maybe you're in the house and a carbon monoxide alarm is going off. And you're like, what is this? Let's get this alarm off of here. Let's put some blankets over it. I don't hear that. Nope, it's not going on. Everything's great here. Clearly another dangerous situation. So rather than denying these aspects that are trying to communicate to us, it's more about understanding what has caused them. It's more about understanding where we are in our consciousness level, how we view ourselves, where these ideas and these thoughts are coming from, the beliefs that are rooting them, rather than consistently saying, no, that's not true. They love me. I'm whole and complete. I'm valuable. I'm loving. You're constantly spending your energy and you're not really getting what you want. So this video is to not tell you that it's not possible. This video is to help you help show you how to maximize the energy you're putting out so you can maximize what you're getting back. So recently I got this book. It's really great. I'm literally barely into it, and I already found a great quote that I want to share with you. I'll leave a link to getting this in the description box below, but you can see it has multiple of his books in one book. So I like that. So, like I said before, a lot of times people right now are teaching that if something you don't like it in your life, your external circumstances you don't like, just affirm. Think about sitting in that burning house. Some part of you is giving you an alarm bell. Some part of you is trying to communicate with you to let you know where you really are. And you're saying, nah, that's not true. That's not real. I'm going to make it real. Another way to say that is you're gaslighting yourself. And I'm not here to say that you need to sit in your misery or sit in your pain forever. What I'm saying is potentially maybe that's an alarm bell to let you know where you are so you can move out of where you are, giving it attention and the care that is actually necessary to move you to the next level of consciousness, so that whatever it is in your life right now, if you keep getting ghosted or if you're being abandoned or people aren't showing up for you or you're feeling like they aren't valuing you, and that's stemming from a feeling of unworthiness or a feeling of fear of abandonment, you can get to the part of you that's hurting and not affirm away and literally reject yourself in the time that you're actually needing yourself. Okay, I know. I said I was going to read Neville, and I'm over here continuing on. It just really gets under my skin. It's pissing me off. I'm an Aries, so I'm fired up. Okay, so in Neville Goddard's book, At Your Command, he says, you do not command things to appear by your words or loud affirmations. Such vain repetition is more often than not confirmation of the opposite. And what does that mean? You don't change things by words or loud affirmations, stating it louder or more often. Really what that's showing in a vain attempt is that the opposite's happening, and you're using your mouth and you're using your words to try to cover it up. But the way to change your outside circumstances is decreeing. In the next line he says, decreeing is ever done in consciousness. The etymology of decree is decide. So you're going to decide about yourself, how you see yourself. And that level of consciousness. So if you're seeing yourself as now whole and complete, you're saying, okay, well, maybe I've had some experiences when I was young and it was shown that I wasn't valuable, but you know what? I'm an adult now and I can take care of myself and I can provide safety for me. And I can see that whatever it is my caretakers did was not a reflection of me and my value. It was a reflection of where their skills were. So I am going to accept myself and I'm going to see nothing was ever wrong with me. I never lacked anything. I was always deserving. I just thought for a long time that I wasn't, and my idea of myself was represented as a consciousness level, a vibration, maybe low worth, maybe anxiety out of fear that someone's going to leave. So that consciousness level, what you were getting in your outside realm, and I'm going to put David Hawking's consciousness chart here, and you can see I'm going to decide that I am worthy of love and that I am on that vibration, and I'm going to start feeling it in my body. I'm going to start feeling those emotions, allowing myself to feel them now, deciding that I'm going to be in alignment with that. My actions, the way I move in the world, what I'm looking for, what I no longer accept as part of my reality. Also by recognizing and bringing your awareness to where you've been caught up, where you've been hung up and hooked into that idea that whatever's going to happen, you're going to lose whatever it is. If you get something that you really value, that you're going to lose it. Oh, okay. I can see that I've been afraid that I'm not worthy of keeping what I want. Okay, yeah, when I was little, that happened to me, and that's not all that I'm capable of. I am worthy of having somebody stay in my life, of having an experience in my life that I enjoy. I'm worthy of having that. So as you're conscious of where you've been and why you've been there, bringing that awareness and bringing more light into it, which is awareness, and it's going to raise your consciousness level, allowing you to freely maneuver, not through those wounds, but gaining wisdom from those wounds, and then now being able to maneuver in a new way. Seeing yourself as whole and complete, seeing yourself as worthy, any kind of alarm bell that you're needing to constantly affirm about, realizing, oh, okay, what meaning, what value did I give myself in that situation that happened? Oh, okay, oh, I see that. I'm going to use my adult mind to reason that was not the meaning and value of myself. It's going to allow you to move up to those higher levels of awareness and of emotions, and therefore allow you to perceive of your environment right now, not creating anything, not rejecting, but accepting. And look in your environment and see what's been there this whole time. Because as you inside see yourself as that higher value, whole and complete, worthy, you'll be able to then perceive of the experiences that are going to disconfirm those old beliefs and create that momentum towards the experiences that you're wanting in your life. So even Neville Goddard said that the repetition and words don't change it, loud affirmations don't change it. They can help establish that, but they're not the sole thing. You need to go inside, bring awareness and light to the parts of you that you're unaware of right now that are actually driving the school bus of your experiences. The more you do that, the more you will take power of yourself and of your circumstances and realize that everything you want to feel from the outside experiences, you can start feeling now, and then those experiences will be drawn to you. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, like this video, join our community. We would love to have you. Hit that subscribe button below. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one.